Hello, namaste everyone. I'm Master Praveen from India and I'm very much excited to come and join Sedona Yoga Festival 2023. Yes guys, I'm doing yoga from the last 30 years and I have 18 years yoga teaching experience and I travel a lot, like more than 20 countries. So this time I'm taking my three concepts that will focus on fall in love with the back bending and for hip opening, and another one very excited for the yoga dance. Yes guys, and my concern, like when I take the back bending, so I'll be focused more on the different modification, the different variations, alignment concept, a lot of things you will be there. Anyone from beginner to advanced level can join my this workshop. So the same, I will be take the yoga workshop for the hip opening, in which I'll be cover hip opening routine, some part of the anatomy like middle and front split routine, how you can make your practice easier and how you can be achieve the front and middle split in a very easy way. Same, anyone belong to beginner level, advanced level, you all are welcome to join my this event. Or if you want to know more about me, so I am giving my social media link, my Facebook, my Instagram, my YouTube. You can be check it and you can be know a bit more about me. So I'm very much excited. So please book your seat as soon as possible with the given link and see you very soon. Thank you so much. Namaste.